Welcome to the Colorlight course. This video will walk you through how to create and edit programs and publish them to your player. Before publishing programs, ensure the stable connection of your device. Launch Player Master. First, to specify the program publishing mode, go to Software Settings and select between LAN mode and Cloud mode. Here we take LAN mode as an example. Right-click LAN in the upper left corner and select Refresh. The blue icons under LAN indicate normal connection of devices. Note that when the icons are gray with an X attached, check your network connection. Once the connection is verified, proceed to create programs. Select the Program tab and click on New. Enter a program name in the field and set the program width and height according to the screen size. Select OK and access the Program Editor interface. Then customize the program content your way. Program Editor includes 4 parts. This is the toolbar, where you can add, adjust, and delete program windows. The 2 buttons in the upper right corner are Preview and Publish. The left side panel is the Program Page area, which displays the program composition, including program pages and program windows. How to play the programs you create. A program is composed of multiple pages, with each page containing 1 or more program windows. The program file is played in order of program page. The program windows in each program page are played simultaneously, and the materials in each program window are played sequentially. Let's go through the process of program creation and editing. Select plus to add a desired type of program window among various options. Take the picture file as an example. Select plus and file window and specify a picture you want to play. Change the position of the program window by dragging it. Resize the program window by dragging the corner of it. Optionally, you can enter values in the lower left panel to adjust the coordinates and size of the window, a fast way of editing multiple windows. In the lower left panel, set the border width of the program in the drop-down menu and change the border color in the color picker. Apply a random entrance effect to materials in the program window by selecting Random Effect in the Effect panel on the right. You can also customize the effect in the drop-down menu. To add a new program window, repeat the previous steps. To add a new program page, right-click a program page and select New Page in the pop-up context menu. This session covers the methods to preview the display effect and publish programs. Click on Preview to verify the display effect. Select Publish in the toolbar. Select the devices you want to publish programs to, then click on Publish. A progress bar appears indicating the download progress of the program file. How to verify that screens are playing the program content properly? The answer is to read back the screenshot. Here are the specific methods. Select the Device tab. Double-click the screenshot and it will be automatically refreshed in Player Master. Verify the display effect by the screenshot. Next, I will explain how to manage the program files that have been downloaded to the local player. Select the Device tab and click on Program Management in the upper right corner to view the downloaded programs. Click on Play on the left to switch between programs. Click on Delete to delete the local programs. That's how to create, edit, and publish programs. Subscribe to the Colorlight channel and stay tuned for more updates.